Ever heard of Raiz? It's a popular investment platform in Australia, but it's also starting to gain traction here in Nigeria. If you're considering investing with Raiz, you might be wondering, does Raiz pay dividends? Dividends are a portion of a company's profit that's paid out to shareholders. They're a great way to generate passive income, which can be super attractive for investors. So, let's dive into the world of Raiz and dividends, and see if it fits your investment goals. What is Raiz? Before we dissect their dividend policy, let's rewind a bit. Raiz is a fintech company, also known as a robo-advisor. They use algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Think of it like having a financial advisor in your pocket, minus the hefty fees. Raiz offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These options cater to different risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive. Understanding dividends. Now, back to dividends. Remember, they're a distribution of a company's profits to its shareholders. Typically, companies with a long history of profitability and a mature business model are more likely to pay dividends. These companies tend to be in established industries where growth might be slower, but they generate consistent profits. The good thing about dividends is that they provide a steady stream of income, regardless of the stock's price performance. On the other hand, growth stocks typically don't pay dividends. These are companies that are still in their growth phase, reinvesting most of their profits back into the business to fuel future expansion. The idea is that the stock price will appreciate significantly over time, rewarding investors through capital gains rather than dividends. Does Raiz pay dividends? Alright, so here's the key takeaway: Raiz itself doesn't pay dividends. Remember, Raiz is a platform, not a single company. They connect you to various investment options, each with its own dividend policy. Understanding dividends with Raiz. Here's where things get interesting. The beauty of Raiz is the variety of investment options they offer. You can choose from a range of assets, including stocks and ETFs, some of which do pay dividends. If you're specifically looking for dividend-paying investments, Raiz allows you to build a portfolio specifically focused on that. They have pre-built portfolios with a tilt towards dividend-paying assets. These portfolios typically invest in established companies with a history of paying dividends. But remember, past performance isn't always indicative of future results. Raiz, dividends versus growth. So, the question becomes, should you prioritize dividends or growth with Raiz? Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Dividends provide steady income, good for investors seeking passive income or nearing retirement. Growth offer the potential for higher capital gains, ideal for long-term investors with a higher risk tolerance. Finding the right balance. The best approach often involves a balance. You can build a portfolio with a mix of dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. This way, you benefit from both income generation and potential for capital appreciation. Beyond dividends, what to consider with Raiz? Remember, dividends are just one factor to consider when investing with Raiz. Here are some other things to keep in mind. Investment goals: what are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Risk tolerance: how comfortable are you with potential losses? Investment time frame: are you investing for the short term or long term? Fees: Raiz charges a small management fee. Make sure you understand the fee structure before investing. Raiz, a platform for diverse investors. Raiz offers a great platform for both dividend seekers and growth-oriented investors. The key is to understand your investment goals and choose the right asset allocation within the Raiz platform. So, does Raiz pay dividends? Not directly, but it provides access to a wide range of investment options, including those that do pay dividends. By carefully crafting your portfolio and considering your financial goals, you can leverage Raiz to build a wealth-generating investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.